What it's there for is a multimedia artwork that extends my painting of the same name using augmented reality to add digital interactivity, animation, and poetry via a custom app created in Unity. The original painting was based on a photo of a stranger that I saw on Instagram. The young black woman held a stoic, jaded expression, as though she'd seen a life's worth of trouble in her few years. This inspired me to write the poem based on the ideas of closeness and distance brought on by digital interactions. The painting was done by hand using acrylic paint on canvas. All design and animation were done using Photoshop and After Effects respectively. The AR interactivity were done using Unity and the Vuforia plugin. When the app recognizes the painting, it overlays 2 animations and plays back an audio file of me reading the poem.
I start talking like I'm stormy weather. What's the world to do but work out whether it's true? Growing to a bird with a focus and a temper, who can open up an app and see between 1 and 2.
Overall, I'm happy with the app. I'd like to bring the file size down and also like to learn how to animate text natively within Unity, because I used PNG sequences and I think that may have brought the file size up, particularly the 50-second text animation that goes along with me reading the poem. I think if I did that natively but kept the pretty stuff that floats over her face, the flowers and the moving background as PNG, I think I could bring the file size down. But overall, I've enjoyed it. I got to learn some stuff. I really enjoyed the AR workshop, and yeah, I've definitely learned some skills that I would like to build on and kind of create more work, an entire body of work with traditional paintings that are extended by AR using animation, spoken word, and maybe even pulling from the web in real time.